Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
How's it going?
Um, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Safe, we cannot hear you.
Mm.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, hi.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All good?
Yeah,
How are you guys?
all good, all good. How are you?
All good. Crazy gold, huh?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
gold is
Yes,
like so
sir. Yes,
crazy.
What's
sir.
going on, man?
I'm just
Yes,
watching gold happen.
sir.
Let's see. So, anyone has any trades running
Of
right now?
course. I
Of
always
course.
do. I always do,
Shorts?
bro. Is that a question of what do you think?
Yeah. Sorry for asking,
Of
man.
course, shorts. Yeah, of course, shorts.
Yeah. What about you, Rosa?
Um,
I've done a few trades in the last few minutes, long and short altogether.
Okay, of course. Long and short.
Yeah, because everyone's short, so why not try
Yeah.
some longs?
But guys, I think it might be reversing from here. As long as it's
there
above.
might, it's a short one, probably.
Yeah. Um, can I share my screen? Let me show you what I have.
Sure.
Of course, bro.
Second. Okay. Share screen. There it is. Okay, so can you guys see my screen?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
So look where it got rejected from, or like during Asia session. Um, this trend or this wave has been like running since August. So since it was 3,300 something, and
Mm-hmm.
it's been respecting this one. Of course, we had like faster trends or faster waves, but now we're back at the trend line. Plus, we have the 126-day moving average in the way. So either we sweep this low and then just reject, or if it breaks it and closes below, I believe we're going down to 3,870 ish.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but if it decided to go crazy, it might go all the way back to 3,600, 500. So that would be like a really big correction. So let's think out loud here, guys. Since August, it went up like $1,000, $1,046.
Mm-hmm.
Um, if we're going 60% from that, 60% from that, we might be heading toward the, I don't know, that's so 600, 600, something dollars from the very top. Yeah, it should go somewhere around 3,700, 600, as I said, if it decided to continue dropping. Because here we have a classic reversal pattern, which was the double top. Once we broke this, we closed below, we dropped like another $200. So I don't know. What do you guys think?
Ah, personally, um,
Don't
Saif,
forget,
I just
I'm looking at the 4 hour chart. So we
yeah,
need,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, we need shorter ones. Now, if this closes like bullish around like above 4,040, 4,050, sorry.
4,000, 4,040,
Yeah,
45.
let's say 50 to be safe. If it closes
Okay.
above, I might be starting to look for buys.
I will look for buys after 55.
Hmm. Okay.
But
What about
I
Anand?
really don't want buys.
You don't want buys?
Nope.
Shorts are faster, huh?
It's not just about that. Okay, shorts are faster, but um there's that theory that actually played through, and I kind of believe it now. Spoke about it in my the last live stream. You know how gold's history never went up uh on the weekly time frame around 9 consecutive weeks, as I recall.
Now
Yeah,
we're in
nine
10.
consecutive weeks. Yeah, we're in 10, and it tells you that in the 10th week, you always get a huge reversal.
Yeah,
And this is what happened. I was waiting for this week, and it actually happened. I did not believe it at the beginning.
yeah.
It happened, and it happened aggressively. Uh, I don't know how or why this coincidence is there. Like it happened 6 times in history,
Okay.
but is it the institutions that sold off? Is it the banks? What is it?
I think it mainly, if you're talking fundamentals, it's mainly because like China did not accept to take bullshit from Trump and said, you know what, I'm cutting you off all like minerals and what's it
Hmm.
called, the precious metals and stuff that that are very much needed in manufacturing different stuff like
Yeah, I know.
electric
I've read
cars.
that.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So China controls almost 70% of the world's reserve of
Yeah,
those
yeah, yeah.
metals and
I
stuff.
know.
So that's why I think after Trump became softer with China,
Hmm.
I think that's the reason behind all of this. So basically, we're living in Trump era. He's moving
Yeah,
everything. He's yeah,
that's true. Um, Say this man is controlling everything, and he is doing everything for his favor and his um family's favor, if you
yeah.
want to be realistic, because his family's benefiting. His son, this man, his circle,
Correct.
they're all benefiting. It's all insider trading, and this has never happened before. Like this
Especially in the
public,
crypto market.
yeah, they're public about insider trading, which makes no sense.
Yeah,
However, I want to put a hold on that topic for a second. When I was talking about what is the cause of the drop, let's say fundamentally, it is crazy. Like this aligned up with the 10th week. You get
yeah.
it? This thing lined up with the 10th week,
It always
which
does.
is yeah, it's confusing. How would this happen, you know? Besides that, I was in the cells since the very beginning. Since hold on, I'm checking my trading view. It's been since 4,300 something, as I recall. I've been in the cells and I've been selling aggressively each time. I'm just selling, to be honest, and I'm not buying at all. And I will not buy at all, even if it's a scalp. Because now it's, you see how we were just talking about
You
buys
change
and
bias, huh?
I would change if I see something that convinces me. However, you know how last week and the past 9 weeks, we've just been saying buy and do not think of sells at all because the
Yeah,
trend is bullish. However, I do not see the trend bullish anymore. It is not bullish anymore. The trend is bearish big time right now. Um, and it will be confirmed even more that it is very bearish after we break 4,000. Okay?
yeah.
Because we
Close
will,
that.
yeah, we will break 4,000. We will kill 4,000. By the way, last night I was in the cells, an Asian session. I was in the cells, but I did not close at 4,000 and four, unfortunately. Uh, I did not expect that aggressive reversal from there. And so look, my target wasn't 4,000 or anything, to be realistic. My target was a couple hundred 100 or 200 pips. I had no TP. For the first time, I always have a TP. I did not have a TP. And I was just sitting while taking that trade. I wasn't even in my office. I was watching a movie. And suddenly I look at the phone and I just see something dropping like this. And I'm like, holy shit, like, what is
Yeah,
this? What's happening? I did not understand what was happening because it was aggressive. We dropped 1,000 and something pips, $100 per ounce during Asian session, which was really crazy.
yeah.
Um, and I've been
It was
selling
crazy.
this
It was
this
crazy. And
morning.
by the way, there's someone here in the chat that is sharing their opinion, and they say, where did it jump? I think big
What are they saying?
institutions started taking profits. That's why gold is suddenly shorting aggressively. That makes a lot of sense, especially
It
that
does make sense.
it slightly broke above the previous all-time high yesterday
Hmm.
during the
Yeah.
Asia session, and it started just going from there. So yeah,
I
it makes a
mean,
lot of sense.
it does. However, what is just, giving me issues in my head is how did this line up with the 10th week of that theory?
It always
You
does. It
understand?
always does. That supports the simulation theory
Yeah,
that
that
we're in
is
simulation and it's
that
all
we
a big
are.
game. Yeah.
We are. That is why this algo is broken, the simulation is broken. It is not real. Six
You
times
know,
in history, and it
while
always
we're
does the same thing.
discussing this, I think Rosa made just like $50,000 just shorting and longing and longing.
Just going long
Yeah.
yesterday, and I'm not kidding. I just took two
Rosa,
trades.
can I please ask you a question, please?
Yeah,
Why do you always like to be against what's happening?
it's not against. It's because I see the future and I know what's going to happen.
Huh? Oh
So I'm
wow!
the first
Oh
one
my
jumping in
God.
the trend.
Take my
I
money.
mean, Rosa, Rosa, your thing is it works for you, but why do you like to be against the trend?
And no, honestly,
Every
because
She's
time.
never against the trend. It's
I
she's
don't.
following the very small trend, like the minor
Yeah,
one.
like
Yeah,
okay, I get it. I know she's scalping and all that, but just I don't know.
it's like I've been buying like one, two, three, four, five buys, like 30 minutes ago. Um, and just two cells because to me
Hmm.
it's going up for the next 30 minutes. I have gold just framed into like a time frame, like everything has to move between 45 minutes and 2 hours. So when I see it going up in the next 30 minutes, I don't know the point, but then when my system gives me my setup, and that's why I can't go. It's possible for me to go against the trend because it's well, you can see the reverse. Um,
Hmm.
it didn't break the lower low. So on 1 minute, I'm just talking 1 minute. So to me, it's jumping in the trend, the first one. So being the one on the long term, and then quick scalp. Well, with the volatility these days, it's been like I usually target 40, 30, 40 pips, 20.
Hmm.
Yesterday and today, it's been like 80. 300 very
Yeah,
easily.
because the 5 minute chart, the 5 minute candle gives you 400 pips
Yeah,
straight.
it's been crazy.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
usually it's 20, 30, 20, 40 pips, points.
Hmm.
So 40 points for gold is just a blinking. So it's
Yeah.
that's why I'm able to go against the trade because I'm not
Mm-hmm.
waiting for you like going after 400 points or 500 or so. Yeah,
Hmm.
but
I
also
have
because I
to
do
I have to be
what
back
no
in a
one
second.
does.
Yeah. So Anand, the humble pro, how's it been treating you, gold and
Mm,
markets?
not gold is being very erratic. Like it's crazy actually. The moves are I'm getting stopped out. Like I usually go with like three lots around. So the moves are like stopping me out most of the time. Today I captured a good move in the morning. I'll just probably share my screen.
Yes, please.
Um, so this was I had marked this level basically. I mostly look at areas where round levels. I think I've talked about it multiple times. Like for 4,000 was I felt it's a good level, so I was waiting for it. So morning in Tokyo, I got that level here. It tapped that level. I had this level marked for quite some time, but I didn't. I missed it actually. Then I took a buy here when I was waiting. Sorry, I was waiting for a pullback. I just took a buy and I made a 1:3 like pretty fast. The market moved like crazy today. So I had two trades today. One was SL, one was TP, and I was done with the market. And I'm not really liking how the gold is moving currently.
That's
I'm
like one to
very,
four.
to be honest, very scared. Yeah,
That trade is like 1 to 4, right?
yeah, 1 to 4. But I passed before that. Like I was in challenge phase. I don't hold a live account currently, so it was challenge phase which was required for me to take the TP.
Nice.
But it's very I don't feel like trading this market, to be honest. It's like the 100 pips are like this. I usually only target 100 pips. Right now it goes sideways, my account get breached like
I
in few
think
seconds.
the only way to trade this market is that if you're comfortable with like wide stops, because it's
Yeah,
going to give you wide like targets. But some people are just not comfortable with risking 100 pips.
yeah.
Um, I would I would happily risk 200 and 300 pips to get 500. So I
So you
think
would you
I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, and if it gives me buys, I'm going in.
okay, so you would go for a smaller lot size, right, in order to
Of
capture like.
course, of course. Risk does not change. It stays as a percentage of the account size. And again, Rosa is bored because I repeated this a million times. I'm not like trading now. I'm just like trading a couple of $1,000, just to, not a couple of thousand, but like I'm only risking 0.2%, 0.25% of the account, just for the fun of it. And mostly I trade during the live sessions, the live trading sessions.
Got it.
So, but for the main account, no, I stopped trading maybe 1 month ago after I got my target on gold. I said that's it for the year, and I stopped. But I still like day trade or scalp sometimes when I see very obvious opportunities. So back to your question, yes, of course, it stays 0.2%, 0.25% of the account size,
Okay.
um, and I'm just doing it
So
for the
I
fun of it.
I I usually risk around 1%. That's fixed on live, and I go with 1:3, 1:2. I'm very happy. 1:3, I'm most happy. So
Yeah,
I look in this ratio, and my stop loss is not more than like 30 30 bips.
yeah,
Like how to say $3. I would say $3 or $4. That's what I look for. Target I look for $8 or $10. That's done. I don't look for a bigger, like a bigger move, like how it has
yeah. But
happened
if
right
your
now.
stop loss
These
was like 60 pips, you would just go and
Yeah.
cut it in half the position size, right? To achieve the same
Yes.
risk amount.
Yes.
Yes,
I
that.
usually, if it was live, I'll just go ahead keep B as soon as it moves like $1
Mhm.
in my favor for now. But I'm testing out a lot of things, but I
Hostia, ¿qué
still
le
need to
pasa a
figure out
esto?
a good area. Gold is like look at 100, 1 minute candles.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's fun. Well,
I think it's
that's
Rosa's phone. Let's see. Gold. I am planning to stay. I was actually trading Euro USD for a couple of days.
Um,
Euro USD is actually falling right now.
Guys, we have, by the way, we have a surprise today for the people watching.
Yeah.
We're giving away some accounts, and every like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we're going to announce one. So stay tuned. People who are watching, stay tuned because we're announcing winners in the live stream. Okay.
It
Get
can
ready
easily
for a
come
drop.
here. Euro USD. I think it will drop till there for sure.
Yeah, it
Oh
looks
yeah.
like it's dropping.
It will come here easily. I think. Yeah. I would have placed a trade somewhere here if I was trading today. Here I would have taken an entry, and I would have targeted there. So I would have taken a trade somewhere here. Okay, this level I would have taken.
So,
And
guys, you think
if
we're
I
about to
was
break this
if I
level
was
now?
if I was trading, I'm not trading. I'm just looking right now. TP would be just above this level. I usually keep my TP above the level. I don't let it go inside the level sometimes. Sometimes a lot of times it just retrace back and I feel miss out and I'll just close the trade. So I always try. One of my rule is basically keep the TP above the OB or liquidity. Just before it get mitigated, my TP should be done. Because a
Mm.
lot of times it just don't mitigate and just go back. So that's been a very painful situation for me. So let's see how this plans out. I mean, it's too late to take an entry, but let's see.
Imagine if I want to sell, my stop loss on the 1 minute chart is 100 pips.
Mm.
How
Yeah.
crazy is that? It's even 110 pips.
That's exactly why I'm not trading gold. Oh my god, it dropped
Yeah.
again 100.
It's crazy. One candle is
It's just,
like
it's
39
con-
to.
it's consolidating. It's consolidating 350 pips.
Yeah, that's crazy. You want to know what's even crazier than this?
Yeah,
On Friday, it dropped $200, right? Like 2,000 points.
yeah.
And then
2000 pips. Yes.
yeah, and then on Monday it went up. It went back up another $200, which is 2,000 points. So that's 4,000 points in 2 sessions, almost 2 sessions.
Yes.
Even
Mm.
like,
And even
and then,
forget that
and
today.
then on
It
Tuesday it
sorry.
dropped 300 something. It dropped, yeah, $350. So in total, we like it moved 7,500 pips in 3 days. I've never seen anything like that.
It's crazy, actually. Yeah,
Welcome
and
back,
it's
Can you
Salah.
very
hear me, guys?
dangerous for people.
Thank
For
you.
new trading gold these days is extremely dangerous.
Yeah,
I wouldn't recommend to trade gold for someone that's starting
yeah,
to trade.
definitely. Especially during these times.
Mm.
Yeah, beginners cannot trade gold right now.
Today Asia was bad. Like when I woke up, it was down 1,300 pip, and when I like 1 hour, it's back up 1,300 pips.
Even
That's
less than an hour, it was just crazy, crazy. What happens? What's happening is crazy. You know, like
I think a
the
lot of people would have made money who are like big time holders.
bro. It's just been acting, volatile, more volatile than crypto, more volatile than Nasdaq, SP 500. It's just been extremely volatile. However, if if you're following the guidelines and you know what you're doing, you're supposed to be safe.
Oh, got it.
I wanna share my screen when you're done.
Sure, yeah, I'm done. Like I'm just. You can.
Okay. Can you guys see my
Someone
screen?
saying gold has no manners.
Yeah, indeed.
does not
Yeah.
does not know.
Can, can you see my screen?
Can you
Yes.
imagine the amount of money that's been like wiped uh, on gold the past three
Mm.
days?
I read it's what? Uh,
1.2 trillion, I think.
yeah, I think it's more
That's
now. I think it's more.
yeah,
Yeah. Um, Currently, it's rejecting. It's rejecting hard from let's say 40, 39.5, and let's see how this 15-minute closes. We could have another setup, a continuation to take out this liquidity over here at 404 and possibly hitting 3975. You guys hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
yes,
Yes.
Um, so we have to grab this liquidity over here.
yeah. It looks like a sell, but it feels like a buy.
It feels like a buy.
It looks like a sell though. So we trade what we
Yeah,
see, not we feel.
exactly.
Gold, and here it comes my insight. Gold is going to buy, even if it drops off a little bit more today, but it's going to be at 4068.99 level.
Again, what was
Again, it's 4068.99 level.
okay? So like 200 pips from here.
It's yeah, like 300
Okay,
Yeah,
from where it
300
is
pips.
now. So yes,
300
and
pips. Yeah, it is really possible.
mm,
It is possible. It lines up with everything I have in front of me. If it does go, it can go up there at most and drop, not further than that. That is the most it can go to, possibly. Um, Bro, I promise you,
see how this one closes.
sales have been so clean.
Yeah.
sorry guys, I'll be right back.
It's
All
okay.
right.
Safe. I'm just shorting everything I can. Every single time I can, I'm just shorting and increasing my positions. Um, just getting in more and more.
Yeah.
Just like how
Um,
we were doing when it was
I don't know
buying.
what it is, but it feels like a buy.
Yeah,
I'm
look,
not sure
look at
yet,
this
but it
15.
feels like a buy for some reason.
Look at the 15 safe. It just broke it.
Yeah.
Just broke the level it couldn't break. It's 39.3. And if it closes this way, slightly above the line I have, it can be a buy. And we could buy from a retest to the same level. So if it closes this way, drops back to 39, we can have a buy setup for our guys on Tradin TV.
Hmm.
See, I almost
Mm,
hit full TP over here in this one. I closed this already, but almost hit full TP in it at 4004.
Okay, I think it looks coming.
now it's halfway in between my two levels. So even
Yeah,
if you,
Rosa,
yeah, go
we're
ahead.
gonna buy if we get a
Not
retest to
now.
39. Not now.
Yeah, of course
When
not
the
now.
15 closes.
Definitely not now.
Need this 15 to close and then retest this level. I'll buy. I'll just go on my phone.
We have 30 minutes to go to close this 1 hour candle. If it breaks above 50, yeah, we're going for it. If we break above
Yeah,
50 and we close above 46, 47, I'll wait for a retest and I'm going long.
that is correct, sir.
So let's wait and see. If it does not, if it gets rejected from this area and it closes bearish, then the obvious will happen, which is it will go down. But
Mm,
because as I showed you in the beginning on the daily chart, in the 4 hour chart, it got rejected from a very important level and a very
Yes.
important moving average. Like I've seen this happen like a million times. So that's why I'm more inclined toward the buys, but I don't have any confirmations yet. And I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna just jump in because I feel
Mm-hmm.
like it's a buy.
Mm-hmm. It's a very crucial level. Safe,
Yeah.
like, I would love my cells to be from 62, to be honest.
From 62.
Yeah. No, I sold earlier from 55 because it couldn't retest 62. I needed to retest 62 exactly and then sell. I couldn't get it, so I just got it from 55.
I tried to buy today at around 90 or 80, and my stops were the 57. Very small lot size, but I got stopped out obviously. Um, so since then, I'm just waiting for a setup. I'm not.
Let me show you something.
Yeah.
This is what happened to me during Asia. Now over here. I got, look, I got
Gold is
screwed.
pushing up.
Uh, I got screwed in all this mess over here.
Oh,
Um, I
that's back.
tried. Yeah, I was expect. So before this zone, before this level we have over here, look, I just separate them, separate the consolidations, do the breakout, etc., etc. This was faking out the whole time, and I did not follow my guidelines or rules. So I lost a lot over here, and then I was losing over here. I was trying to sell over here and it kept taking me out right here with those wicks. And every time I sold, it took me out. Last time, last time I sold, it did not take me out. This is just talking about my personal account. I did not send a signal for this. Last time, it worked, went in my favor. I did not close over here. Didn't close over here. I think I closed somewhere around 40, 20, something like that. But it was hectic going through all this. But this made up for it.
On Monday, um, Monday night, it gave a very, very clear sell signal.
Yeah, I was in that.
Yeah, but like, and it had like a relatively small stop loss. But today we
Yeah,
have nothing, man. It like the smallest stop loss on the 1 minute chart is like 100 pips, and that's
bro,
crazy.
not even you can't even put a stop loss with 100 pips. Like you won't be relaxed even. Imagine.
Yeah.
Well, you get 1 minute candle of 100 pips, bro.
Sorry to
It's
cut you off, Salah,
yeah.
but we have a winner. We
You
have
have a
a
winner.
winner. The first winner is Josie Man dash QL9ZR. Josie Man, where are you? Make yourself visible. Where are you? Uh huh. That's the first winner. Stay with us to know if you're the next one. Anyway, you were talking about
It's going to retrace very soon.
to retrace to the downside, you mean?
Yes,
Yeah, I think it has to, yes.
around between 40 and 80 points. I expect that. I'm not sure, but um,
I believe so. I think maybe even 100 pips, but uh, just after it closes this 1 hour candle. Or that's what I'm hoping. I'm not saying it will happen. I'm just like hoping that it closes around 50, goes back to 37, 38. We buy from there with stops below 24, and we keep going up with it. But it's still not confirmed.
No, even if I give a buy setup, I cannot use 100 pip SL, to be honest. It's gonna be it's gonna be wide.
Yeah.
It's gonna be wide, but the RR for it is gonna be good.
Let me tell you what my uh, target would be. So let me draw it. So if we enter around 40, it stops here. Target around
This
two.
would be my ideal setup. If we had a bullish
Mm.
setup and I confirmed it. This is not confirmed, guys, just for the people watching, in
Well,
case.
that would be nice.
Yeah, this would
A
be my
one to
ideal
seven plan.
setup. Yeah. Um, Stops around 20. Entry is 40. However, your TP is 91.
Okay, you know what
This,
my TP is?
yeah.
240.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa,
Oh yeah.
whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Big man taking a swing. Um,
And I think it's going to be very fast. If we're getting this, I think it will be very fast. But let's just
Very
wait because we
fast.
still don't have a setup. But
Holy
I'm
shit.
definitely going in if
Saif,
my setup.
I need to know your explanation, full detailed explanation, please, brother.
Okay.
Uh,
Um,
it's accurate. Let's
let
see.
me just go to my.
Bro, that would be a really good setup. Crazy good setup.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Would you like me to share my screen and explain?
Of course. Hold on, let me close mine. Go ahead.
Thank you. There it is. Share screen. Let's try to go to the 1 hour. Okay, so let me start from the very beginning so people who just joined would have an idea of what I'm saying. So, gold got rejected after it dropped, after it formed this double top. It broke below, closed below, and like dropped. And on the way, it found the 126-day sorry, moving average, uh, which coincides with the trend line that has been intact since August 22nd. All right. So we go down to the 1 hour. So now we have the overall trend. We know the big picture. All right.
Hmm.
Now I'm waiting for this to close as engulfing inside of those bands. So
Hmm.
if that happens, I'm gonna wait for a retest till almost like half of it, like 50% retracement of this engulfing candle. To be safe, I'm just entering around 40 with stops below this at around 12. And if this thing happens, let me show you on the 30 minutes. Now we've been trending lower and lower and lower here, right? We have a downtrend very obviously, correct? Now we broke above this area. We had something we call a non-failure swing. So now I'm waiting for the failure swing, which is prices fail to break a lower low and it breaks a previous high. So if this breaks, we're going to this level, which coincides with the 200-day moving average with the 126. And let me show you 1 second. Even on the 1 hour time frame, it shows the exact same levels. Um, if you can see here, I don't know if that's obvious to you guys or not. Okay, do you see this?
Yeah.
This candle, this doji?
Hmm.
Okay, now what does that mean? It means that it tried to reject from this level, which is the 126 moving average. It couldn't. There was indecisiveness in the market, and then it broke below and closed very far away from this low. So most probably, we're going to fill this, going back to fill this area, because ever since it broke it, it never went back to retest the same price. So that's why I chose the 240 as my TP. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's just my analysis.
It really makes sense. And I fully agree with it. However,
But still, we don't have an
yeah,
engulfing candle yet. I wanted to
exactly.
close. Yeah, I wanted to close first.
We need good confirmation for that. I will swing this with you
It's actually good if it works. It would be really
if it
good. And
works.
look at
But
the risk reward ratio is 7, 1 to 7.
hmm
So that would be really, really good if it
exactly.
works.
The only problem, Safe,
Yeah.
I fully agree with it, and I really want it to happen, and I'll be in it. The only problem is I cannot unsee how bearish we are.
Yeah, that's because
I
you're looking at the medium-term trend, man. If you look
yeah
at the big picture, we're still in an uptrend. Whether we like
yeah
it or not, we're still in an uptrend. I would love
that's
gold to
true.
go back to 2,800. I would love that to happen, but
That is
unfortunately,
impossible.
it doesn't seem like it.
No, that's impossible.
Yeah.
Like the least, the most, sorry, we would drop to, in my personal opinion, as the most we can drop to. Just hold on.
Okay. Anand, Rosa, what do you think, guys? Don't make money in silence. Share.
Yeah,
Now, I don't have a, I don't analyze the market,
yeah,
so
Rosa doesn't care.
Yeah.
I can't. I know it's about to drop. How much? Between 40 and 80, but I don't know when. But
40 and
my
80, you mean
points.
like 40 points?
Mm,
Yeah,
Uh,
that's actually my entry. After it drops that much,
yeah.
I would enter. Yeah, I
My
agree.
entry's at 39. My entry's at 39.
Mine is at 40, but I think it's going to 37 maybe.
It can, yeah, that's true. The only thing is that you don't want to get swept out. Safe the most gold can drop to for the next few months or a year, even I believe, is 3,450. Don't have 100.
3,450.
Yeah, 3,450.
Yeah, I
That
agree.
is, yeah, that is the most it can drop to. You know, I see a lot of
It might go crazy.
videos.
It might go crazy
Huh?
and like just drop to, I don't know, like 3,100. But I think that's it.
That's
That
too.
would be
That's if
that would be it.
something big happens, like
Yeah.
extremely big. But you know, so a lot of
Trump needs
analysts.
to kiss Putin on the lips, I think, to get this.
Yeah, a lot of
They need
analysts
to be a very good
appear to
friend
me.
and like, sorry.
A lot of analysts just appear to me and show up on social media, and this guy's
Yeah.
saying gold is dropping to 2,200. Gold is dropping
No, no, no,
to.
no. That's too far. That's too
I'm
far.
just laughing. I watch them and I just laugh. And the problem is, masses follow these people, analysts, and masses believe what they say. Ma- A lot of retail traders, they just believe them blindly. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. And they're like, yeah, this guy's a professional, this and that. And that's it. They have that idea that we're going to drop there. I don't know how a lot of come across some guy that reached out to me. Brother, he has cells from 2,700 and something.
And still holding.
He's still holding, and I'm like,
That's
what on
that's
earth are you
the
doing?
richest stupid person or the stupidest rich person I've
I
ever
know,
heard of.
bro. It's not just this guy. There are a lot of people, and especially in the Middle East, we have those
Yeah,
people.
yeah, we do.
I really cannot
it's
understand what's
happening.
going through their
It's
brain.
happening.
Yeah, it's pulling.
It's
Rosa,
already
how about you
50
share your
points.
screen? Share your screen and show us the magic.
It's nice we're all on the same page here. Are you,
Not really,
Rosa?
we're not. But
Can you see it? Yeah.
Anand
We
is
all
just
want
what he's like. No, I'm
we
not. I'm not messing
we
with
all
gold.
want to buy. We all want to buy.
So we mitigated this level here right now with this 50 it's between the 40 and 80, but I wasn't sure when, but it was about to happen. It has to sell off a little bit. Well, this level here down below, it's already been mitigated, but be careful because this level here, it's not, I mean, gold's not happy with how much liquidity it took here. So it's going, there's another level, 4016.37. And these are levels in between. And this is the level here, 4068.99, the level I said at the beginning of the session. So it might drop a little bit, but I expect gold to keep going up. It needs money. Gold needs money.
Let's see what 4040 brings to us.
There's another level up above. It's 4160.96.
Okay.
What's the level again?
4160.96.
41. 41 or 40?
4160.96.
Okay.
These are the four, I've got 4 levels. Just wrapping the price. At least 3 of them are going to be touched today before end of the session.
41 even.
3 or 4, I would say 4. Because of the time, what time's now? It's okay.
It's almost 3 in Spain,
Yeah,
right?
it's almost 3 in Spain.
It's almost 4 in Jordan, almost 5 in Dubai.
Yeah, let me count.
Mr. Saif, Mr. World Cock.
Yeah. We've had this discussion before, Rosa and I.
3
Right.
levels at least.
That's 12 somewhere in the world, man. Okay.
These arrows are entries. I didn't take them because of the volatility, very, very impressive volatility here, but I took all these ones. So that's it, 42, 67, 6780. At least 3, aiming for the 4th one before the end of the day. That's why I didn't keep the trades opened, the long ones, the buys. As you can see, I'm not against the trend. It was just selling off. I started buying here with the aiming this point here. So I just wanted to be the first one to get there in the trend. My timing wasn't right. That's why I closed them, because I had another entry here I didn't take. Anyway, timing wasn't perfect, but the idea, the trade idea, was pretty clear. But with all this volatility yesterday and today, I didn't want to risk it. So that's why I closed so early. Very, very quick. And well, I was about to say, and I'm pretty sure it's going to hit this level here, but it did before I could even say it. So 1 level out of 4.
Let's see how this one closes.
1 out of 4.
Okay, we hit our level.
I'm gonna put this. And okay, I'll just leave this level just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. This is the area, and it's going to play around this area until it mitigates the 4 levels, and then it'll decide what to do. At least 3, because it's 27. 27.5. 80, 27.5. Yep. That's all my analysis. Fabrice says it goal. Okay, we'll mitigate gold some liquidity around 41.60. Wow, that's 41.60 is about my look. 41.60.96 specifically is the level I have. But for the session today, I've got these 4 levels so far. But yeah, I'm with you, Fabrizio. I think it was the one who said that. Fabrizio, not Fabrizio. How many takes do I take on a day? It depends. I don't usually take all these trades all together, but it was a fantastic opportunity because it gave me a setup just targeting this level. But I didn't wait enough. So I closed with some profit. Enough is enough. Context when we are trading, it's always important, and we are in extreme volatility. So even I could have been rich with this target. I'd rather have money to trade tomorrow because it can go either way. So this level is about to be hit. Around 7 points away. It has to mitigate it. But usually I took 1 or 2 trades a day, but then I divide every trade in several entries, in actually 6, 7, 8 entries, depending. So I divide my risk. But trades, like trade ideas, it's only 1 or 2 a day. Because I usually trade 1-2 hours a day gold. It's in the morning. Okay, second level mitigated. Now it's going up, or straight away somewhere around here. At least, and I already said that when I give a level, it's usually retracing at least 10 points. That one retraced 46 points. That's a lot of money. And that's what happens in the levels I usually say. I usually give you, but you have to be very quick. That's why I have expert advisor doing that automatically.
Oh, looks like we have our second winner. It's Kirbel Evo, Kirubl Evo. So you're the second winner for today's giveaway. Congratulations.
Congrats, Kirubel.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Don't blow it.
Oh, and something important regarding the levels. When I said usually it retraces at least 10 points. It's only the first retrace. For now, so the price went down, then it retraced like 40, 50 points, and then it retraced now again. But that second time, you don't take the trade. It's around 75% accuracy on the first retracement, not the second. The only thing is you cannot do that. You're not allowed to do that in the prop firms because it's considered like high frequency trading, which is not, but it's considered so. So You should do that in your personal account.
Saif, when do you usually stop trading throughout the year? When do you call it a year?
When I get to my target, but this year the gold has been nice to me, so stopped earlier. But usually I don't stop like till it's like 10 days left to Christmas, and that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Market
trade
is
the whole
shit
year.
in December.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I trade maybe the first 10 days of December, and then I just call it a year for trading. That's it.
Yeah.
By the way, if you guys can see, the 1 hour candle just reversed. So I'm not
I saw
getting
that.
my. I'm most likely not getting my engulfing candle. So no, unfortunately, that was like that would have been a nice trade.
And the 15-minute is presenting my pattern, which is if it closes this way, that's gonna be another sell from a retest on the 15. However, it has to close this way. If it doesn't, then it's not bearish.
Hmm.
But this pattern never fails me. Hmm.
Hmm.
How crazy is it that we just dropped 250 pips casually, just like that, without even feeling it's uh, 250 pips?
It's been the case for the past, I don't know, like month. It's been
No,
just going, man.
yeah, but I'm talking about the shorts, how they're being
Look, look,
aggressive.
look, look. Look what's happening now at the
Yeah,
very last minute of the 1 hour candle. It's
that is
jumping.
that's crazy.
Let's hope it closes like above 40 something, 44, 45. If that happens, we have a trade.
Yeah,
30 seconds to go. No, I think it's gone.
it's good.
5 more seconds. Nope, we're not getting it. Now it will start going.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was about to click buy at 34.
It just moved 200 pips.
Yep.
Yeah,
My goodness. Okay,
My
I'm
God.
very pissed off right now. Nah, I'm extremely
happens.
pissed off. I kid you not. I was about to click buy. I was about to click buy.
This happened many times. I'm still gonna place my order at 40.
Retracing a little bit now, that's for sure. Okay, it's retracing now. 40 points. 43.
Look how, oh my god.
This is disappointing.
Stop loss is at 12. Go. Let's see.
It's in a very difficult zone now. Very complicated zone.
So I have my buy limit order at 40.40. This stops at 40.12. I'm gonna keep an eye because I might delete that order if 15 minutes doesn't close the way I want it to close. Let's see.
When it hit my level above, it'll be a bit
Remind me
of
what
slippage.
was the level?
Level is 4068.99.
Oh yeah.
It'll be some slippage. I expect 10-20 points slippage top, and then it'll drop. That's my expectation. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm just waiting there.
Man.
And I expect just if it goes down, it'll do it very abruptly or very rapidly. In the sense of the area where the gold is now, it's a very difficult area. Gold's been there before, and it's been struggling every time it's there. So now it's going up. I expect 1, 2, 3.
57, man. Oh wow. 59. I didn't
I'm gonna
catch
break
it.
something. I'm gonna break something. I promise.
I know, but it's dropping. It'll
Can
drop.
I show you my screen 1 second, please?
I'm
You need
telling
to
you,
see
I
this.
was
Look,
clicking the
look
buy
at
and it
the
did this. This is not okay.
Look,
This little shit.
this gave me 1-to-1. Hello, guys. Yeah,
Beautiful,
look at
beautiful,
this.
sir. Beautiful.
Yeah, but I didn't catch it.
You didn't
What's
catch
the
it like
point?
me?
No. Let's see what happens.
One
Brother,
candle,
I
this is the
was
second candle. So expect 1, 2 more candles. Otherwise, it'll be tricky.
Yeah. So 34 to 64. $30 in one candle. In 4 minutes, actually. Let me show
Yeah.
you on the 5 minutes. Look.
And
Oh my God, man.
don't sell there. Expect some slippage.
Yeah, I'm not
who's
selling.
gonna sell?
Oh,
Who's
okay.
gonna sell?
Me, the moment I can.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What happened?
See, bro. Look, we just like failure swing. I'm gonna just like keep my order at 40.40 and wish it's going there because I believe it's going up from here. So I wanted to do something like this. So here, then shoot here. Let's see.
Rosa shorting.
It's going back up.
I think we'll get an entry at 51.
At
51.
51. Okay.
Or, I mean, like, hopefully.
Hmm.
Okay, it's coming. Let's see. But this is crazy. 300 pip move in like 3 candles.
It's trash.
I mean, a lot of scalpers will be making money.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and losing money as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most of them. That's the truth. I was about to say it's nearly there, Anand, but then it's like 50 points away. So it looks like it's 5, but it's 50. Actually, it's crazy. Volatility crazy.
Sorry, I was muted. Okay, yeah, 52 it touched. Okay, like it didn't touch 52. I just. That's crazy, yeah. It's fun to watch, but I don't really want to get into a trade right now.
Don't do it then. It's going up.
All right,
Don't worry.
guys, I'm gonna
So,
give a winner because I have to leave, unfortunately.
Going to break something?
Huh?
Going to break something?
I mean, I will break a lot of things, with full honesty. However, I'm not leaving because of that. I'm leaving because uh, I'm not currently home and I don't have charge left on my laptop.
No problem. No problem. No problem.
Yeah.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, Anand. Good to see you, Rosa. Good luck.
Likewise.
Thanks.
If, gonna give the winner, and also I'm gonna tell you that I shorted at 59.
Yeah.
Don't ask me why I shorted at 59, but my target is just 50. Just make me relax because I got really mad. Anyways, the winner of today, third winner is Atik443. Atik, where are you? Oh, you're there, typing. Yeah, Atik, you're the winner. Congratulations.
Congrats, Atik.
Congrats.
Congrats, Atik.
do we have any events today? Like news events? I didn't check the
No,
calendar.
nope.
There's one crude oil inventories that's
All right.
just for today.
I'll see you guys. Good luck. Have a great trading day.
You too. Bye,
Bye.
Salah.
Bye bye.
It exactly didn't go to my point, but 52 was my area of interest, but looks like it's suspecting. Let's see. Oh, we didn't answer any questions. We don't have any questions today.
I've been trying to read some questions, but there's so many comments and
Oh,
Yeah,
people
keep jumping,
just
yeah.
posting over and over the same comments. It's very difficult to read questions. The same thing happened yesterday.
oh, okay. We should have a slowdown feature or a pinning feature upcoming, something like that. I don't know. It's
Avnish is saying, Safe. Yes. How can I help you?
Yeah, someone say, Rosa, are you there? I think I'm here.
Yeah, I think she's here as well.
Guys, if you have any valid questions, please do comment. We'll be happy to answer. Okay, let's see if we're getting any comments.
If you enter, someone Wacker's asking if he can enter long. Of course not. I didn't enter long, and I've been saying price is going up from the beginning of the session, but my setup wasn't there, and I'm not going in.
We have 4 more minutes for this 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
If it shows, if it closes like this, I'll be waiting for like a retracement to enter. I hope I'll get that one. So I think we're going up. Yes, 37.
Come on, hit the level.
Rosa, would you like to share your screen?
Yep. Okay, there you have it. And it's about to be hit. So I expect some. Oh, just a second. 3 points, 3.3 points away. Okay.
You know what's funny? That like the minute we opened the live stream, we started talking about gold and nothing else. It's like we agreed on this, but except we haven't.
It's because it's like the symbol in playing this month.
Yeah,
It's like,
it's crazy. Hmm. Okay.
okay, come on.
I'm trying to read questions, but as you said, it keeps jumping.
Hmm.
Okay, there's a question for me.
Wait, I
Yeah,
got something.
I have seen many people asking for strategies live on your stream. How can you find your strategy? I mean, your own strategy. It's already there. I have like, I think Rosa. I think we've been streaming and I've been talking about it multiple times. There should be a reel or just go through the videos. You guys will be able to find it.
Yep.
Please,
Price moving faster than the questions. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, the price is like, let it move, but it's moving 100 pips like a single candle. That is what I'm not able to digest. Yeah, 100, like 50, 30 points. Like, have you ever guys faced this? Like, a lot of people say points, pips in a very different way. Some people, like, what is the best term? Like, even I have faced this. They will be speaking something else, like keeping pips in mind. I'll be speaking something else, pips in mind. So, what exactly do you guys follow?
well, pips originally is meant to be for FX pairs because it's point and percentage. It's short for point and percentage. So it's basically like if you say 5 pips on Euro USD, it's basically 0.0005. So if you want to turn it into a percentage, you just like divide it by 100 and you have it as a percentage movement. But they use the pips as a measurement unit for the FX pairs movement. But because it's been used widely, now everything else on the screen, the on the chart, I mean on the price screen, uh, gold is measured in units. It's measured. The price is measured by dollars. Same for oil. Same for silver. Same for what's it called? And the indices, by the way, like Nasdaq and all of those are measured in points or dollars. So we just use pips as a measurement unit, but it was originally made for or meant for the FX
FX.
pairs. Yeah.
Mm.
So ideally, we calculate like dollar moves. We'll just $1 move, $2 move. That would be a better term to use it, right? Like generally.
I use pips for everything, to be honest. Like,
Same.
who cares? Yeah, just call it whatever you want, man.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't make any difference in your trading, so that's fine. But of course, like if you have like public appearances where you're just like talking about something related to markets, of course you need to pay attention to the terms. But as long as you're just like in a community of traders, we all understand each other, so it doesn't matter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. It's going up. I think I missed it.
Yeah, gold is gonna go up. Like, I think it can have an easy target 89, like 80, 84.
You know what would suck really bad? If it goes
Yeah.
to 140 now. That would have.
But so I'm just thinking it will just come to the 50 area, then it start pushing. It needs a little more support, is what I feel. But
I hope.
let's see. I mean, it should actually. If it needs to move down, it has to come down a bit and push it up. Let's see. I think we still have 1 hour for New York Open. Like not 1 hour, 40 minutes more. Does anyone trade here by volume? No, right? Like when session change or anything. I think Rosa don't care about what time or what trade.
Rosa does not care about anything, not even the price. Just give her 1 minute chart and that's it.
So, Sai, according to you, like you go with a smaller lot size and you trade. Do you hold for multiple days where day switches? Like how do you really
Sometimes
handle like?
for multiple years, not days.
No, but that's on the live account, right? When it comes to Profum's perspective, like
No, I don't do prop. I never
Oh.
trade prop. I never traded prop because it's different. It's more like they made the whole thing to serve the day traders and scalpers more than swing traders. Because, as I said it many times before, it would take me maybe a month to pass a funded account. So it's
Okay,
not
it's about to hit the level. Sorry, guys, and then expect some slippage.
okay. This will be magical. Watch.
Come on.
Are you looking to short? You're on buy, right, Rosa?
I'm buying. Now I'm gonna buy, but then I'm going to short.
Yeah, she takes the whole thing, like the impulsive move, the correction, the impulsive move, the correction.
Yep.
Good job. Huh. Let's see. So where are we going, Rosa, from here?
I don't know. So I have
That
no
wasn't very
clue.
helpful.
So I'm just waiting for the third level I gave to be hit, and I say 3 out of 4 at least will be hit before the end of the day. So I'm expecting just to be hit this level, and then gold will decide what to do.
Already down 80 pips. Well done, Rosa.
Yeah, but my level's not hit, so yeah, so just doing my best here. Have to be very quick.
So Anand, we were saying,
Okay, I was just asking, like, since you don't trade Profums, it makes sense. You can hold multiple days. But personally, I don't hold the trade more than like if I have a trade, if a session is gonna close, I probably exit these days. I learned lessons hard way.
yeah,
So lost
you know that
multiple.
I think I'm not sure. I think I wouldn't pass a challenge, or it would take me a very long time. But if I, for example, Rosa once explained how she trades prop, and it's very aggressive. So I think if I do that, I'm not gonna be like as efficient as Rosa in passing those. And if I want to do it my way, it's going to take very long. So
Yeah.
I
So
think the whole thing is like wasn't built for me. Although I wish I was like, or I had props back in the day when I started. Was didn't have money.
but have you tried, like, I know your strategy currently in pops, it's very slow. Have you tried switching it, like looking at increasing your percentage, looking like perfect your entry model a little bit better? Like, have you ever thought about like that? So I usually have two set of trading. For Profums, I follow a different plan. For my live accounts, I follow a different plan. Like usually. So live, I'll take positional trades like somewhere like you with a lower lot size for 3 4 days. I don't mind holding. Whereas Profums, I'll go with a little bit higher lot sizing and also a little bit of like 1.52% risk during evaluation. So that's like I have a separate entry model for for Profum
Oh
with
yeah.
separate entry models for yeah.
Um, I do have like a different entry model, but the problem is it's not that accurate. It's not as accurate as the swing model. Um, I might work on it, to be honest. And I have one of the guys here in the office. Is really good in testing strategies, and we are currently testing something that is very impressive and it's very accurate. But of course, the trade-off is low risk reward ratio.
Mm.
But it's very accurate, and I love it. So we're testing this right now. Maybe God knows. Maybe I'll just have like multiple entry models, and I'll be trading prop one day.
Got it.
Someone was telling me the other day, like, why not trade prop? Like, it's just free money. I think it was you, Rosa. Was it you, or no?
No, not me. Yeah.
Someone was.
Because I understand your style doesn't fit the prop firms. It doesn't. I mean, it fit them, but it as you said, it will take a long time,
Yeah.
and then it doesn't make any sense to me.
Mhm.
Maybe it
And
makes sense
Rosa,
after I pass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll make a lot of sense the moment you pass one and you are funded, because then your trading style it's profitable with minimum risk and headaches.
Yeah, but I don't know if that like they have like certain rules for swing traders on props. Because like I've never heard of anything like that.
I
Mm.
don't think there is a swing account for funding pips. No, there is no swing accounts.
No, I mean in general, like not a swing account, but if I, for example, if I want to trade uh, like swings on a funding pips account, do they have any certain rules? Do they have like do they charge swaps, for example? Um,
Yes,
yeah. Okay.
yeah, there's charge straps, but again, you can hold the trade. There is no rules for that, but you have to be very precise with your drawdown. For example, assume you're holding a trade for today. Tomorrow, your drawdown changes. If you're in profit, the drawdown is calculated from your profit. If
Oh,
not,
okay.
but if your lot size is small, then the drawdown won't be an issue. But a lot of people trade a bigger lots, like
I
two
think I'm
lots
too
on
old
gold.
for this.
Uh, I didn't get your question, Saif.
No, I'm telling you, I think I'm too old for this. That needs a lot of like, you know.
A lot of rules are there, yes, but for swing traders, yeah, a lot of little I know news rules also is there available for swing traders if you're holding for more than 5 years and stuff. So yeah, it's flexible, but I personally don't like to hold for more than a day
Yeah,
a trade.
I can see
And
why, especially having like this kind of crazy markets.
yeah,
Uh,
and
yeah, sorry.
your stop
We
won't
have,
be
we have a
respected when the
new
market
winner.
is down.
We have a new winner. Rosa, would you like to announce?
Oh yeah, sorry.
That's yours.
Yes.
It's yours to announce.
I'm so focused on the trade. Okay, so the fourth winner is Muhammad 34398.
Congratulations.
Muhammad 34398. So congrats, Muhammad.
Mabruk, Mabruk.
Perfect.
Question for Saif. I read something. Can you give some tips to hold trades for a long time? My psychologist doesn't allow me to. Okay, someone is asking me for tips to hold trades longer. You just need to reason yourself into holding trades longer because, like, why not hold them? Like, are you holding them on your back or something? Like, if they're still making you money and they're still running and they haven't reached your TP yet, why would you close them? So you need to reason yourself into that, and you need to sit on your hands and stop just like hitting buttons right and left. Like hitting buttons isn't trading, isn't being active. Trading is actually more about waiting and being patient. So that would be my advice to you. Sit on your hands.
And it's true. Most of the time, even me then as a scalper, most of the time I'm doing nothing. I'm just focused on the candle on candle and doing absolute nothing. Like now. So
Yeah,
I'm in
and
a trade now, but
it's hard
that's it.
sometimes. It's hard sometimes to wait for a setup, like because like you feel that you're not doing anything, but in
Mm.
reality you're getting paid to wait. So okay, so someone asked me, are you someone who takes profit like TP1 too, or you just take the full TP? No, I usually take partials, but if I want to take partials, I plan it. So on this trade that I showed you like minutes ago, I wasn't going to take any partials. But usually when I do take partials, it's part of a plan. So before I enter the trade, I plan that I will close half here and then re-enter there and just
Mm.
So it's all planned. It has to be planned. Otherwise, I don't enter the trade.
Okay. What is gold? Gold is trying to come down again.
Yes, it's trying. Yeah. I'm start
I
thinking it won't
I
hit the
hope it
level.
goes back to 40-40 before like just like rocketing. But the market doesn't care, does it?
So these two levels are already hit.
Okay.
Delete, delete. It's been now. I still don't see it going down before reaching out. Three, 0.3. 2 out of 4. Now it's going down, I think. I have nothing here. So it's a free fall for until up to 4016.
40-16. I was thinking about 40-24, 28.
24, 28.
29 actually.
That would be nice.
Yeah, there's
I
some.
would probably generally I wait for the New York to get over, then probably look for trades. That is even more like there won't be more erratic moves like this.
Mm.
So that's something which I was doing, but these days I'm taking a lot of trades on Asia. No, finally it mitigated the 50 order block. Okay, nice. Stop. Okay, there's a question for me. Is trailing SL good or do you trail SL? So I don't trail anything on challenge phases. I live stop loss or TP on live trade, live accounts. Yes, I do trail my stop losses to break even or 1:1 depending on how the market has moved. So I have like different rules for different phases of challenge. So we do have one more account to give away, right? One more winner.
What was that, Anand?
We have one more winner to give away, right? We did four. There is five, right?
Yeah, I think we have five.
Okay.
One more.
Anand, how long you take to get the challenge? Like, I mean, to clear the challenge, probably a week. I mean, I usually buy the pro account, so a week's time or 2 weeks max to max. Rosa, did you get to try the pro account?
No, I
No?
didn't, but I have to because I only have one account now.
Okay. Try it out, pro. Like, probably you might like it. Yeah, and 20% discount is going on. Why didn't you buy?
What's the discount? 20%, you said?
I'm not sure if it's available in your country, but I think going on in India, so it's 20% discount on all accounts.
Wow, I didn't know.
Yeah, the Diwali thing, right?
Diwali is cool. I'm not sure. Might be it's just India. You can just give it a try. And
Happy
Okay.
Diwali, everyone. If anyone's from India, happy Diwali.
yeah, happy. Thank you.
Okay.
I mean, I do like Pro because Pro is like smaller target plus faster accounts. That's why I personally like Pro. So much messages. I'm not able to follow.
Yeah, it's impossible to read anything.
Consistency rules. Like, Rosa, you heard about the consistency rule on the daily payout? No. I usually go for weekly payout. So there is this daily payout of 90% profit split and 35% consistency.
Hmm.
So it's a one kind of like different experience for a daily payout.
There's also daily payout, but I think it's too aggressive. So you put a lot of pressure on yourself trying to withdraw every day.
No, that you can think of as like for an example, if someone is too afraid to trade their profits, that's a good way to go about it. So I
Yeah.
personally don't trade like, 2-3 trades a day. If I make 2-3%, I try to lock it and wait for my withdrawal day. That's basically I'm missing out close to 7 trading days or 8 trading days. Whereas here they can withdraw and they can start trading.
Hmm.
So basically they don't have to risk profit. So it has its advantage. So that's a different thing. Even see these and Rosa, like even today's drop, okay, your stop losses won't be respected. Like there was another drop today just before here from 90. There was another drop today. Like it just dropped like crazy. So that time I'm very scared to hold the trades because stop losses will the spreads will jump like
Hmm.
crazy.
I know.
And 2 days back, I was trading and I saw a good support level. Market just dropped. I went ahead, purchased, like entered a lot, too lot of gold. Guess what? It started with minus to $1,200, like literally.
Hmm.
So as soon as I entered, I got stopped out. My stop loss was 1,000. I entered, I got stopped out just because of this. The spread was happening at that
Spread,
particular time. The volume
volatility,
was
slippage, it's all together. That's why it's so dangerous to
yeah,
trade
very
these
dangerous.
days.
So I'm waiting for the gold to settle down. These moments are very crazy for me
Do you
being a
guys think we're done retracing? We're done correcting on gold? We're
I
not yet.
expect to hit my level.
Which is how much again? I can't. It's
Um,
very small.
Let me see.
To the upside, you mean?
Yeah, to the upside.
Yeah,
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 it's
yeah. I agree. Yes.
5.51p.
No, I thought you meant to the downside. Yeah, we're basically saying the same thing. I think it's going to break now. Once it breaks 69, we're going up.
Okay, it's pushing up.
Uh, Rosa did it one more time and discovered the exact point where it's going to reverse from. So
Well, it's fighting, you see. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to hit it, but the level's there.
I
And
say it's going to break it, not only hit it. It's going to break it and start flying.
yes, it has to break it. Just wait for
There
it.
you go. It will start flying now.
Yep.
There was an order block. Let's see.
And there you go.
Now you can. Well, no. I won't say anything. It's still risky for people. No.
They want you to say though.
This. I know, but sometimes it's very, very risky. And I'm out
Congrats.
of the cell. So I logged 14 points on one. 14 pips. I always say points. I don't know. And 19 for the other one. So that's on. This box is 10 pips each. 1, 2, 3. So, and I put them here because I was expecting this this slippage. The price go up above and then give me a retracement. So, and as I said, 3 out of the 4 levels I gave have been hit. Now it's only information. I only had one more level down below. Let's see, before the close of the day. But at least, I mean, the three out of 4 were hit, so happy with them, giving me at least 10-point retracement in each level. So, don't.
I think we're going to 4100 now as a first target.
4160 is what I have here. Yeah.
Yeah. Like my target would be for this specific trade 240, as I told you. But first level we have is 4100. Then we have 4160, as you said, and then we have 240. So for whoever took this trade, you can exit on 3 phases, like one on 4100, one on 4160, and 240. So that's for trade management. So yep, that's it.
That's it.
It's a shame. It's a shame we missed this trade, or I missed this trade. Congratulations, Rosa, as always. You never miss anything. I think Salah is now breaking something. Like almost stabbing.
Yeah,
something.
he was very disappointed today.
Yeah, Umayma thought that I was wrapping up. No, I'm not. I'm just like, I'm just saying how shameful it was to miss this trade because It's gone.
That's actually a beautiful buy trade. Like it exactly came to a 50, an order block at 50, just mitigated it and pushed up. Beautiful.
If you were regretting to jump in the trade at this level here, I tried to get to this level here from that point. So this is disappointing. And I tried and tried, and no one single candle gave me the suspicious just to go up. So it was a clear performance here, but I've been trying to get here from there very early. So my timing, I've been profitable, but still my timing, very, very wrong timing today.
It's very tricky, Rosa. It's not easy to time it, especially during this kind of market conditions.
Hmm.
Um, as I told you when we first entered the live stream, it feels like a buy. It looks like it was looking like a sell, but it feels like a buy. And I don't know why, but it didn't give me my setup, so I'm not going to just chase it. If it comes back, good for me. If it doesn't, no big deal.
That's a fantastic approach
Yep.
to be profitable.
Okay, I think we have our last winner for the account. It's Stream Sniper.
Oh
Congratulations.
wow, another winner.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Stream Sniper.
I think Stream Sniper asked few questions for me a couple of
Oh
minutes
really?
back. I think so, yes. Stream Sniper, you are still around?
Like the name is familiar. Yeah, I think I've read this before.
We answered, guys. So I think we have picked all the winners today. Yeah, Stream Sniper, thank you. He's here.
Someone is asking a good question. Can you advise us on how to recover from drawdowns, both technical and psychological? Um, First of all, you need to test if your edge actually works. If it does, then there's nothing to fix. Psychologically, you need to take some time off. That's my first advice. Take some time off. Go through your journal if you have one. If you don't have a journal, make it a must to start journaling your trades. And like if you have a journal, try to spot your psychological patterns and what works best for you and what doesn't. And I think that's pretty much it. You go back to trading after a while. You'll be like mentally fresh. You broke the emotional block that you have, and you can go back to markets with no problems. Uh, do you guys have anything else to add to my answer? Rosa, Anand?
Same
No,
thing.
not really.
Just figure out your edge. But if you're taking a stop loss, like keep a stop loss like 1-2 trades a day. Then as a human being, except Rosa, I won't be able to take 2 or 3 trades. More than 2 trades, I'm like going to make mistakes for sure. You'll hurry or whatever. So restrict your trades per day. That will help drastically. That has helped me a lot, and it will help you financially also. Like you won't spend much buying accounts and stuff.
Aha, Stream Sniper is also from Kerala. Is that where you are from, Anand?
Yeah. Okay. I'm
Uh,
basically from Kerala. Yeah. So he's been.
No,
I'm
I'm
from
not going
Kerala,
to be
but
convinced that you didn't make him win because he's from your hometown. No, guys,
no.
seriously, but we just like they feed us the names. We don't choose anyone.
No, that's you got. Yeah.
We don't
I
choose
gave a special.
seriously because like we don't want them to think that we choose based on anything. But no, we don't.
Yeah, it was a random pick.
Okay,
The euro is slightly pulling up back. Cool.
what's happening with gold now? Back at 77.
I think it's gonna push up now. In
Yeah.
half an hour, there is New York opening. We can see some changes.
If I took that trade and like if it triggered, my stop loss now would be at break even.
Okay.
I like to be
It's actually
a little bit sometimes. There is some kind of fun to doing that, but that's fine.
like
I get my setup. It's not my fault. So, guys, do you talk to yourselves as traders?
yeah. When I make mistakes, I'll just yell at me. Not yell at me. Basically, you're like, "What stupid thing I've done?" You're like, "You're mad."
But not
I'll say that.
necessarily only when you make mistakes. You don't talk to yourself.
Yeah.
Like I have two people inside. It's me and the other me, and we keep talking the whole time. Like it's fine. It's not your fault. Just relax. You didn't get a setup. Imagine you entered and it reversed, and you're going to beat yourself up for not following your rules, and that would have been even worse than um, missing a trade. So yeah, I do those this kind of conversations all the time. So I was just checking with fellow traders. Do you do that?
During losses, yes. Otherwise, I'm just like, yeah, good. If TP hits, I don't have. I think if I make a bad trade or if I'm
You
making
don't
a
cheer
stupid
for
trade,
yourself when you make a good trade.
like not really. I like okay, fine, good. Yeah, it was a good trade.
Yeah,
That's all. I probably
doesn't
share.
mean that it has to be a winner. By the way, like if you manage to exit with the least loss possible, um, or you just like exited with like a loss, but you did everything correct. I usually tend to cheer myself for that. Like, well done. That was actually good, and I write it down in my journal, and I keep it as a reminder that my last trade was good because there's something I mentioned back in I think last week. Um, you're as good as your last trade, so just make sure your last trade is good, and you'll be a good trader. Um, I think if you let that sink in, you'll become a better trader. You're as good as your last trade.
That's something I should start following. I'll try.
I I only analyze the good traits, not the bad
You
traits.
should analyze.
No, really, you
You
don't
should
analyze the bad trades.
No, because the bad traits are rubbish. So I did a mistake, or so it's there. So the good ones is, for instance, that one you can see on the screen. That one here. If I afterwards in a bit or tonight, that was spot on. I just took the trade lower tick, and it's not up tick, but it's nearly there. So I performed very quick, very good, rapidly. So I did it okay, even if it's a loss. But if it's a loss, I don't pay
Thank you very
attention.
much for saying this. I was going to follow up with this question. Even if it was a loss, it's a good trade.
That's a good trade. But
Yeah.
the only thing I analyze is this good trade. So could I be done better than that? And that's why this, because if it's a loss, it could be the
Yeah.
market,
Then I
or it
agree with
could
you.
be me doing
I
something wrong.
misunderstood you actually in the beginning. I thought you meant like you only analyze the winners.
Oh yeah,
But
yeah.
no.
I only analyze the winners at this point in life. I
Yeah,
used to
but
analyze.
now but this was a loser, right? But it's a
No,
good
no,
trade.
no. That's a buy. I did buy here and
Ah,
I
okay.
did sell here, so
Then I
that's a buy.
misunderstood you again.
Yeah. So I only analyze the winners, just saying, okay, that one, did I do it right? That's a winner. But
Okay.
should I have done it better? Could I? And then I analyze how to improve the winners, because the losers are just rubbish. But if I focus on the good thing I'm able to do, I can improve the winners. So it's like when you are not good at math when you are at school, and some people say, oh, you need a teacher just to do some more math because you are only average. If you're
Okay.
not good at something, just leave it there. What are you good at? I don't know, literature? Then put a
Focus
teacher
on
just
that.
your good thing you do without effort. Everyone has something everyone has something that they do without too much effort. That's why I'm trying to focus here. I used to,
That's a very interesting perspective, actually.
I used to analyze the losers, but then I think maybe there's something in the losers I can't control. Why I don't analyze the winners so I can do them even better? And I'll have to analyze this one because I don't like that one. I don't like what I'm seeing. I want to close it here. And then I analyze why. Sometimes there's no reason, so I've done my best and that's it. But I tend to analyze every single trade I do good just to do it better. That's it. So I don't analyze the losers anymore.
Well, thank you for like opening my eyes on this. I'm going to give it some thought. But one more thing, just because you were saying like, why would I analyze the losers? Because something went wrong there. And I'm saying this not to Rosa, I'm saying this to everyone else listening, because Rosa is now a profitable trader, so she doesn't need this. I'm talking to you guys. So you analyze the losers and the bad trades because you want to see what went wrong, what emotion made you do that, and accordingly you need to fix the problem. So at this point in life, again, Rosa said at this point in life she does not analyze losers because now she became like a robot. Now she's a factory girl. She keeps like executing one time after another. So that's why she gets to do that. But you guys do not get to do that. You need to become mechanical first, like Rosa is, and then you can only analyze the winners. So I had to make this clear because we don't want anyone to just like ignore a very important part of analytics, which is mistakes you make, and especially the psychological mistakes that you make.
Mm.
But thank you, Rosa, for giving me this insight. I'm going to give it thought. Actually, I still analyze every single trade.
Yeah, someone told me that why are you analyzing the losers? Why don't you try to improve what you already do good? If you do something right, try to improve that.
It's actually interesting. It's very interesting. Why haven't I like? I feel stupid now.
Oh no, no.
Why
Well,
didn't I think about this before?
and
Like, yeah,
yeah. To be honest, when I lose a trade, it's either the market is not right, there's too much volatility, for instance, these days, or because I got greedy, I had a bad day and I didn't accepted it before trading. So these mistakes, I already know what they are, and they don't happen very often because I've been fixing myself as a trader. That's why since maybe 2 years, kind of, I only analyzed my good trades just to improve them. So yeah, it's a path. But as you said, people have to analyze everything
yeah.
first of all. It's not the same.
Until they become mechanical, yeah.
Yeah,
So gold is back up.
yeah.
I think we're going to see 4100 very soon. Someone asked me something. Can we still see 4040 being triggered and going to 4240? What I can tell you is that we are going to 240 most likely. Again, disclaimer, most likely. But going back to 4040, I give it like a 10% chance, 15% chance. I'm going to leave my buy limit over there. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, then it's not mine and I missed another trade. No big deal. And by the way, I'm going to leave it only for tonight. I'm not going to leave it till tomorrow or after tomorrow. So
Mm.
I'm only going to leave this buy limit till the end of the US session tonight. One hour candle ends in 5 minutes. Let me tell you a secret. Not only the 1 hour, also the 4 hours, the 8 hours, and the 2 hours, and the 3 hours. A lot of candles finish now because, or and now. That's a very important time of the day. We were discussing this before, Rosa, if you remember, that we need to shift it 1 hour because this candle closure is very important now. It gives you the bias for the rest of the session. So if you can see, 4 hours now just like flipped, it became bullish, which sets the tone for the rest of the US session. It's most likely going to continue going up.
That's the 4 hours.
Let me see. Can you zoom in? No, this is not the 4 hours I'm talking about. This one starts like a little bit off, 1 hour off. So let me show you mine. Can I show you mine?
Okay,
please?
yeah, sure.
Because you know how some brokers are different.
Yeah.
The candle has to start. By the way, guys, just to give you perspective, now it's 5 p.m. in Jordan. Okay, so the market closes at 12 p.m. and it reopens at 1. We're talking about not the FX. I'm talking about the indices and the gold, silver, and whatever the commodities. So some brokers open the candle at 12. That's why you get a different, and it stays there. You know, it doesn't move. Just they open the gold candle, the 4 hours at 12, and it doesn't move. So this is wrong. This shouldn't be the case. So you have to go with the brokers that start at 1. And please, like, just I don't know, translate it into your time zone. But I'm just trying to give you the idea. Umayma, I'm trying to share. Can you please share my screen? Hello, hello. Second, let me text her. Okay. 1 second. Come on. It's closing in 1 minute.
Yeah.
4 hours. And it's closing bullish. It's a green candle.
Have you tried to share it a few times? Sometimes if you do it a few times, it works.
Yeah, I'm going to try again now.
I think New York is also going to open.
Yeah,
Now,
there. So look, that's what I mean. It was very bearish and it broke the previous low. But look what happened. It got rejected from here and it closed bullish. It's not a very big. It's not a very big bullish candle. Let me just move this so that you can see. See, it closed inside the band, so that's a bullish sign, and the rejection itself is bullish. So that's why I was telling you I'm expecting the rest of the US session to be bullish on gold. And I think that's it for today. Do you guys have anything else to share?
not me.
All right. This was fun, missing some trades. See you on the next one, and see you on the next one, and hopefully next time we will not. Yeah, it was so much fun.
So much
So-
fun again next day, right? Just missing or losing some trades.
It's better than losing, no?
Yes, it is.
Better than losing. So
It could be worse.
it was fun missing trades with you guys. So hope to see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves and always remember, trade responsibly and trade in. Bye bye.
All right. See you.
Okay.
Bye.